Hey guys, and welcome back to the Exodus channel, your home for the best crypto videos. Make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons and we will keep the videos coming. Binance started a popular centralized crypto exchange, which in 2020 saw a record total trading volume of over $3 trillion. Since then, Binance has expanded to become an entire crypto ecosystem. Users now have access to lending products, BUSD stablecoin, a decentralized exchange, and a community launch pool, which helps new projects to build on the Binance blockchain. As of September 2020, the platform began hosting smart contract functionality on the Binance Smart Chain, which runs parallel to the main Binance blockchain. This ensures that the Smart Chain can grow without slowing down the other tools that are being built on the ecosystem, and the BNB Development Fund is actually aggressively pursuing this cause. Also, $100 million has been set aside for projects that commit to building on BSC, with individual projects actually able to claim up to $100,000 if they are successfully chosen by the Binance community. BSC developers claim that the blockchain's proof-of-stake authority consensus actually provides the ideal balance between high performance and decentralization, despite the fact that there are only 21 validators in comparison to Ethereum's 11,000 nodes.
Hi, my name is CZ, CEO of Binance.
And the Binance founder, Changpeng Zhao, or CZ, has actually been quite vocal on Twitter about this and his intentions to sort out the high Ethereum gas fees by offering a cheaper and more scalable solution on Binance. Unlike the Binance blockchain, where many of the projects have been built from the ground up, Binance Smart Chain is actually being populated mostly by Ethereum-based projects that are bridging between the two blockchains in order to provide relief from the high gas fees. That doesn't mean that they are completely moving away from Ethereum, just that they've decided to build out and actually leverage the benefits of both platforms. A lot of experienced crypto traders will have heard of IDEX, which is one of the oldest decentralized exchanges in the space. IDEX has traditionally been a place where traders could buy newly listed Ethereum projects via the MetaMask wallet. But the popularity of the exchange has actually been tested in the last year or so, perhaps because of the popularity of Uniswap. Now, IDEX is taking the initiative to launch a multi-chain solution, which will allow them to onboard new assets and reduce settlement costs for their users. The integration with Binance Smart Chain has been completed, and the initial trades have been finalized with an average transaction fee of just 10 cents, compared to $4.50 on Ethereum. IDEX is also planning to benefit from the future of cross-chain DeFi by integrating with both Polkadot and Algorand. SushiSwap is another popular DeFi project that has made the move onto BSC in order to escape from the Ethereum gas fees. They have also built out onto the Phantom blockchain, and this cross-chain expansion arguably leaves them in a stronger position than Uniswap, the project that, ironically, SushiSwap actually copied all of their original code from. And the third Ethereum-based DeFi protocol that has migrated onto BSC is cream.finance. In a Medium post, the team behind the Cream lending and liquidity farming protocol talked about the advantages of having access to the Binance ecosystem's 170 fiat gateways and 400,000 user accounts. They see centralized exchanges as having a vital role in the growth of the DeFi space and the accessibility of governance protocols. The DeFi protocols that are firmly based on Binance Smart Chain include PancakeSwap, which is basically a copy of SushiSwap except with the addition of syrup, and ZeroSwap, a familiarly structured lending and borrowing platform that supports both ERC20 and BEP2 tokens.
You gotta play this game rough, you know what I mean? In, out, get, grab, bonk.
Aside from DeFi, another area of the crypto sphere which is growing rapidly right now are non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. Bounce Finance is a decentralized auction platform that allows users to bid for NFTs, pieces of digital art, using either BNB or ETH for payment. By going live on both blockchains, the Bounce team were one of the first to take advantage of MetaMask's Binance Smart Chain integration. Yet, by simply adding the Binance network onto your MetaMask in the settings, you can actually use the browser extension to interact with Binance Smart Chain apps. Pretty cool. Considering that the blockchain market size is predicted to grow exponentially over the next years and decades, there is surely enough space for a symbiotic relationship between Binance and Ethereum. Ethereum's current scaling issues can be boosted by the capabilities of the more centralized Binance blockchain, and this will allow some of the crypto industry's most popular dapps to actually continue to function without the barrier of extremely high fees. Meanwhile, projects built on Binance can effectively improve their level of security and decentralization by also operating on the Ethereum blockchain. And with other interoperable blockchains like Polkadot and Cosmos on the horizon, the future looks to be multi-chain regardless.
Funds are safe. 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 Funds are safe.
If this video helped you, then give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crypto videos from Exodus.